How are you? This is King Nura, also known as King Thor. You can find me on Clubhouse as well. Myself, I like to have particularly intellectual conversations that basically attack the subconscious of the human body, which whenever you're navigating throughout life, you can kind of understand why you're doing something instead of doing something because of someone else may want you to do that thing. Even if you're a six-figure earner, what I've learned is just because a person thinks they have more money, they think they're more qualified to give you suggestions of what's happening in life. A lot of times what happens in life, the reason a lot of people are able to receive the money is because they're able to socially adapt themselves within human groups, human populations of people. When you speak of someone like me who is neurodiverse, finding out late in life that as a child I was diagnosed with ADHD and high on a spectrum, what I quickly realized was once I was finding this out, thanks to the Clubhouse app. If you don't know about Clubhouse, just go and download the app. I'll try to put my link in the description so you can maybe follow us. Join one of my houses, which is the Neurodiverse Universe. Also, the Neurodiverse Universe is to collect with those who are also neurodiverse as well, which I found out is a massive community of individuals who are like that. Also, with the Neurodiverse Universe, we have We the Community. I created We the Community is because I hear too many times throughout the world, we have a I narrative. Like you have one finger, two fingers, three fingers, four fingers, fingers. Let's say these qualify as people. Each one of these wants something personally themselves. But guess what people don't realize is anytime you deal with business or anything pertaining to business or anything pertaining to the transaction of cash, it typically involves finger number one, finger number two, which is one human to two finger to the second human. So when people say they don't really understand business or how people are becoming successful, it's because at a subconscious level, they're not comprehending what operating throughout society truly means. I know that. So people typically come to me about different type of businesses all the time, especially network marketing and affiliate marketing businesses. I would tell you all, don't ask the person how much money you made, because at the end of the day, what he does and what you do are two different things in life that will be able to be processed. So I'm extremely ambitious, as a lot of people may already know me once they see this video. A lot of you all may be completely shocked, but I'm taking a new approach. Instead of knocking on your door or talking to you in a social engagement place such as a bar or a nightclub, which is typically, it's okay sometimes, but when you're neurodiverse, dealing with people can be a little difficult because they may not understand you. When I go out, my going out is to network and to connect with people, because we're too much in a in creating liabilities and being a consumer versus being an asset and being a producer. A lot of times people say they don't have enough money. There's a lot of affiliate marketing companies, such as one company that I promote, which is called Tapestri. This Tapestri company is actually designed to basically pay you for the data that you've already been giving away daily. I'm picking up my phone here. I'm actually signing in with my facial recognition ID. And whenever I sign in, this is what happens. So this app right here is designed to pay you for the things that you already do. So that right there is $60.72. You have Find Me over here. And when I hit Find Me, that gives you your location. And then you also have the check-in feature, which is going to be on the right side of the phone. At the bottom to the left, you'll see Wallet. That basically gives you information on the current, the pending, and the payout. Tapestri pays you on a 2-month back pay simply because whenever you download the app, they basically need a full month to process the information to get the data. Then the second month, they go back and see which person was actually active. And on the third month, they actually pay you. Whenever it's time to get paid, you actually see you'll see your profile as well. Every single day, this profile upgrades. Excuse me, just a moment. I'm learning how to do this. As I said, this is my first time on here. Oh, there we go. So if I get close, this is all my badges I earned. That's 10 badges earned. And then that's 10 check-ins. Every time I go to a public location, I'll hit check-in, see if that location is appropriate for Tapestri. Then we have Set to Earn. Then we have Play to Earn. Then we have Answer to Earn, Tap to Earn. Then we have Refer to Earn. So them are different features that you can actually use to get paid from the Tapestri app. And it's very simple. The Tapestri app I'm going to put at the bottom of the website. It pays you up to $25 a month for your personal data. It pays you $1 every time you share this with an individual. $1 might not sound like a dot, or $25. $1 might not sound like a lot, or $25 might not sound like a lot. But whenever you actually take these money and you actually incorporate it together, you put it in your piggy bank per se, put it in your gas tank, it will definitely help out, because as we know, the prices of things are going up. The deficit, for the government deficit, income hikes, because the reason they actually increased the debt deficit is because they had to. If they didn't, they would have destroyed the world. This is my first video. This is King Thoy. If you want to be successful in life, you just got to do it no matter what business you're doing. I also have another business where I'm helping businesses who have 5 employees or more obtain their EFC tax credits. A lot of people say, what in the world is that? So if you all also may be challenging the information that I'm giving you, I'm going to have the link description below as well. But I can actually play a quick video for you as well. It says, how much can you get back? Let me play the video.
In light of the significant impact the COVID pandemic has had for many businesses, large and small, the federal government has enacted various programs to help businesses recover. Have you heard of the Employee Retention Credit Program, ERC? The ERC is a grant, not a loan, that you can claim for your business based on qualified wages and benefits paid to your employees. How much money can you get back? You can claim ERC equal to 70% of qualified wages for 2021 and 50% for 2020. The maximum amount per employee is $7,000 per quarter in 2021 and $5,000 for the year total in 2020. Let's say your company has 100 employees and you took a PPP loan. We would be able to get you a total refund of approximately $1 million. How do you know if your business is eligible? Your business has to meet the following criteria. Have been in existence since February 15th, 2020, and based on the number of employees you had in 2019, have 100 or fewer full-time employees to claim ERC for 2020 and 500 or fewer for 2021. If not, you may qualify for some benefits as a large employer. In addition, either one of the following should apply to your business: fully or partially suspended operations or reduced business hours due to government orders. Experienced a significant decline in gross receipts due to the pandemic. For 2021, more than a 20% decline versus the same quarter in 2019. For 2020, more than a 50% decline versus the same quarter in 2019. The ERC has strict eligibility requirements, involves complex and technical details, and has undergone various changes since 2020. This credit is favorable, but complicated, and we at Bottom Line Concepts are here to help figure it all out for you. Here's what we will provide: thorough evaluation regarding your eligibility, comprehensive analysis of your claim, guidance on the claiming process and documentation, specific program expertise that a regular CPA or payroll processor might not be well versed in, fast and smooth end-to-end process from eligibility to claiming and receiving funds, dedicated specialists that will interpret highly complex program rules and will be available to answer your questions, including how does the PPP loan factor into the ERC? What are the differences between the 2020 and 2021 programs, and how does it apply to your business? For larger multi-state employers, what are aggregation rules and how do I interpret multiple states' executive?
I didn't know I was going to cut it off.
To claiming and receiving.
Let me try to go back here. And process and documentation. Specific program expertise that a regular CPA or payroll processor might not be well versed in. Fast and smooth end-to-end process from eligibility to claiming and receiving funds. Dedicated specialists that will interpret highly complex program rules and will be available to answer your questions, including how does the PPP loan factor into the ERC? What are the differences between the 2020 and 2021 programs, and how does it apply to your business?
For larger multi-state employers, what are aggregation rules and how do I